I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from BoxyCharm Premium Box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay. We have a card, and the theme is Dusk Till Dawn. I'm already liking that title. And an info card. I love it. Love it. Can't wait to dive in. Here we go. The first thing I see in here is from Complex Culture, which is an Ipsy brand. And what is this, pray tell? This looks like a blush, Good Glow Blush Duo. Ooh, it's 11 grams, 0.38 ounces. Pretty color on here too. And you can see that right there. And let's see how it looks. I know I've gotten, I think, a blush or highlighter set before, so I'm really excited about this. The packaging is distinct. It's all, even the brushes have this distinct kind of gray, sleek packaging, gray and silver, with the Complex Culture logo right there. And I'm gonna open it so you can see. One is, I think this is, yeah, it's a blush duo, Good Glow. One says Blissed Out, and the other one says Flustered. Oh. And it gives directions right here on how to apply. It comes with a mirror. I'll show you how it looks. That is gorgeous. Totally something I could see putting in my bag. They feel really nice. Bit powdery. And you will see the colors there. Very cute. That light pink is very intriguing because I normally don't do that pale a pink, but it's always a first. I like it. I will post somewhere here what the price is, and let's continue. All right, the next thing I have here is from Kat Berkey. It's 0.5 fluid ounce, 15 ml, and this is Nutrient C Eye Cream. Yes. Have you heard of this brand? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It feels rather solid. I wouldn't drop this. This is what the container looks like. And I will, oh, what's this? Oh, it's like a pump. So I'm gonna, eye cream, huh? All right. Oh, okay, it's a little goopy and it comes out. And I'm gonna assume that less is more. It smells slightly citrusy. And I'm just gonna apply it under the eyes. Maybe it has vitamin C in it. I'm not sure. But if I find the ingredient list, I will post it somewhere here along with the price. Love me an icon. All right. So far, I am loving this box. The next thing I have here in the BoxyCharm Premium is something from Pop Mask, and it reads Sleepover. Love the cute packaging, and the pink is so cute. Unisex, one size, rose scented. These are 5 masks. The world's kindest steam mask. 5 self-warming steam masks with soothing rose scent. Say that 3 times fast. Can help to relieve migraines, tension headaches, dry eyes, and sleep problems. Well, if you have an occasionally achy or cranky night, maybe this can lift the spirits. Self-warming steam masks. I am fascinated. Next in our lovely box is from a brand called Mellow Way. Interesting packaging, very dynamic. I guess it's Mellow Way. Like that. And what is this, I wonder? Your Way mascara. Look at the way it looks. It looks like it's a helicopter, like with the propeller up there. I'm assuming that means that the wand can go in different directions, because some people like their brushes to go like at an angle. Some people like it to be flat. Some people like it to be further down so they have more control on the lower lashes. Who knows? But it's our way, right? Yeah. And the color, oh, of course, super black. Okay. I'm tempted to open it, but I won't. as you know, I have like 3 or 4 tubs, you know, of tubes of lipstick. I mean, not lipstick, mascara. And I really don't want to open it, but this is what it looks like. I'm a little intrigued, but I'll put more diagrams here so you can see. It's really fun looking, and the packaging kind of matches it. Have you heard of the brand? Let me know in the comments below. The next thing I see here. All right, this is from, it's a signature palette Symphony from Ofra. All right. Give them pitch perfect eye looks with this palette of, okay, I'm trying to read this without my reading glasses, with melodic mauves and warm shivers. Featuring and inspired by our blissful highlighter, these harmonious shades never miss a beat in this easy to carry compact with a mirror. It has a mirror. What do you say? What? It looks like the typical, you know, packaging that Ofra has. Simple, clean, plastic. These colors are just calling full to me, and that highlighter is, of course, you know, typical Ofra. Shine to the gods kind of thing. I will be posting a video to go over this palette because I really want to give it a special look over. This is from Playa, or Play, yeah, this is Playa. Some would say Playa, but I say Playa. And this is Manoi Milk leave-in conditioner, something for the hair. I'm so excited. Yes. I think I've gotten something from them once. The name sounds familiar, and it's a pump spray. Let's see how it smells. Fine spray. Oh, it smells sweet. So again, if you're not into any scents or fragrances, this smells a little like a milkshake. If you don't like that scent, then this may not be for you, but I am already intrigued and interested in this. And that's it for this box. I am so pleased. Let me know what you think about August premium box for BoxyCharm. Let me know in the comments below if you are a charmer. And also let me know about some of these products, if you've tried them or not. Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest BoxyCharm adventure. And I will see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe. Bye.